This Beko electric ceramic cooker gives you everything you need to quickly and efficiently cook your daily meals. With the fully programmable LED display, you can set your cooking to begin at a time that's suitable to you, with the ability to preset the oven up to 24 hours in advance. It's easy to use and great for busy households. The Complete Clean solution combines grease-resisting catalytic liners with an oil and dirt-repelling nano coating on the inner glass door, helping you minimise the time you spend cleaning. The removable inner glass door is free from bolts, providing easier access to wipe clean the oven's door. Cleaning your oven is quick and hassle-free. Take the stress out of cooking and time spent cleaning with this Beko electric ceramic cooker.